Alright, so here we have an 05 RSX. We're replacing the exterior dew wipe. These commonly chip and fade because they are covered in rubber, believe it or not. What we did here is we took a knife and we chipped away the center portion and then resprayed it with Krylon Fusion flat black. The reason we did this is there's rubber on either side that serves to seal the door, so you don't want to completely cut all that off or you'll lose the ability to seal the door. So if we come over here, you'll see as we put it in, we found something out, and that there's actually, the way you actually get these out and in is they slide fore and aft on these channels. So you press that in, slide that in, and then back here this will be able to slide back out. So we'll pop this in really quick and then go ahead and do that. You'll hear the plastic clips, and then we just give it a tug. You see over here, it slides into place. That's it.